Hello, we're going to play a puzzle. This is a mini puzzle. So we guess the animal here. Um, Make them find a right answer. Okay. The first thing is in here. In here, we're going to search a giraffe. Ah, no, is it? It is a dinosaur. Dinosaur, okay? This is a dinosaur.
Dinosaurus.
Dinosaur. This is a tree.
Pohon palem.
Palm tree, okay? And this is a mountain.
Gunung berapi.
This is the egg of dinosaur. Okay, next. This is a snail. Where the snail? Nope. Nope.
Siput.
Okay. This is a giraffe. This is giraffe? No. This is giraffe? No. That is siput. This is snail.
Jerapah.
This is rabbit. Rabbit, where are you?
Kelinci.
Finally found them.